Okay, good afternoon, Cuxton. I hope we're well. I hope you had a lovely weekend and enjoyed your first week back at school last week after the Easter holidays. Now, we have lots to get through today, lots of certificates, but also our new values to talk about and so on. So we're going to make a start. So we'll start in early years as we always do. We've got another class coming in. Let me just let them in as we speak. There we go. So our first certificate goes to George for showing excellence and perseverance when making your amazing beanstalk. So well done, George. And unusually, children, I'd like to show you, and I know you can't see it very well, an example of George's beanstalk. It's fantastic, isn't it? George has tried really, really hard to produce such an amazing beanstalk. So well done, George. We have a certificate here for Oscar for showing excellence in maths by learning to add 11 to a 2-digit number. Wow, Oscar. And I've been down to the early years department this afternoon and some amazing maths has been going on, so keep it up. A big well done to William for fantastic engagement and progress in phonics learning. Well done, William. And also Lila R for always trying her best and enjoying her learning. Well done to Lila. Let's give early years a huge round of applause. Well done, early years. Okay, off to year one now. So we have Archie N for always doing the right thing at lunchtime. Keep it up, Archie. A really good role model to your peers. Well done to Gabrielle for being a lovely friend and for looking after others. So you're showing our community value, Gabrielle. Well done to Nelly for being adventurous in PE when using the large gym equipment. So demonstrating our new adventure value. Well done, Nelly. And well done to Leighton for his resilience with his reading, which has really improved. So also meeting one of our new values, Leighton. Keep it up. Let's give year one a huge round of applause. Well done to year one. Off to year two. So we have a certificate here for Ruby and Ruby W for persevering with learning, tricky spellings and getting 9 out of 10. So demonstrating our resilience value, Ruby. Well done. Fantastic achievement. Well done to Mia for beautifully presenting her caterpillar instructions. Oh, I'd love to see that, Mia. Well done for your fantastic presentation. Well done to Emily for using her 5 Bs to be resilient. So 5 Bs are the 5 things that we use. So board, brain, the boss, and so on, body, and our books to help us be autonomous learners and be resilient. So well done to Emily. And final certificate for year 2, a big well done to Jack for an excellent Earth Day pledge. And I know all the children at Cuxton enjoyed Earth Day. So let's give year 2 a round of applause. Congratulations. Okay, off to year 3 now. And we have a certificate for Ollie for demonstrating the resilience value, one of our new values, for conducting the class in music. Wow, Ollie, that can't have been easy at all. But what a lovely thing to receive a certificate for. Well done to Charlie MC for showing respect, a very mature discussion in RE. Well done, Charlie. We have a certificate here for demonstrating resilience for Jessica, for making great improvements in all lessons. Well done, Jess. And we have a certificate here for Christian, who's demonstrating excellence, for a great effort in writing an informal letter about a Stone Age person. And I saw some wonderful writing going on in year 3 last week, all around the Stone Age. So let's give year 3 a big clap. Well done, year 3. Okay, off to year 4 now. So we have a certificate here for Tommy J for his incredible efforts in group work for English lessons. So certainly demonstrating the community value there, Tommy. Well done to Ellie for being extremely supportive to her peers in all her lessons as well. Got some really kind and considerate children at Cuxton, so well done. We have a certificate here. Oh, hang on, children, I've got them in the wrong order. I always have them in a particular order because I like to do the year group one after the other. So bear with me. Oh, I have to find them. Oh, no, there they are. I knew they were here somewhere. The other year 4 certificates, they were hiding It's my fault, I put them on my desk. So a big well done to Ned for showing excellent effort in his writing. Well done to Ned. And a certificate here for Oliver for excellent use of vocabulary in his character description. And once again, there's some brilliant descriptive writing going on in year 4, seeing real progress, so well done. Let's give year 4 a huge round of applause. Well done, year 4. Okay, off to year 5. So we have a certificate here for Scarlett in Olive for showing excellence in hockey. So our new excellence value. Keep it up, Scarlett. A certificate for Adrienne for showing the community value during potion making, especially when tidying. That's a lovely one. Well done, Adrienne. Well done to Stephen for being a fantastic community member of Chestnut class. And I've seen Stephen being incredibly busy marking those number bonds. And well done to Stanley C for showing fantastic determination and perseverance when reading to the class. So clearly demonstrating the resilience value. Well done to year 5. Let's give them a round of applause. Okay, off to year 6 now. So we have a certificate here for Jacob D for his efforts to improve the quality of his own writing. So leading your own learning, Jacob. And well done to Ella S for caring for the community and looking after the outdoor area. So demonstrating the community value, Ella. Well done for Fraser for his care of our surroundings and community, and he's the shed ambassador and gardening. So clearly been very busy, Fraser, clearing out one of those sheds. And well done to Jaden for his fantastic writing about a silver sword, the silver sword. So let's give year 6 a huge round of applause. Well done, year 6. Okay, now this week, Tom asked whether he could choose some children across the school who deserve certificates and who show the values and so on. So he would like to give a certificate to Freddie N in year 4 for working incredibly hard in PE, demonstrating a positive attitude and a work ethic. Well done, Freddie. And well done to Oliver H.G. for demonstrating leadership qualities during our PE lesson. And this will be a lovely weekly addition, Tom's certificates, because he is a very valued member of staff at our school. So it's important he gets to choose some children as well. So well done to Tom's chosen too. Let's give them a round of applause. Okay, off to the Tidiest Classroom Awards. So this week I need to remember to do the drum roll because I forgot last week. So the Tidiest Classroom in the infant school goes to, drum roll, stop, Pine Class. Well done, Pine Class. And this week in the junior school, the Tidiest Classrooms are, drum roll, and stop. Year 5. Year 5, I am so incredibly proud that you've achieved this certificate. When Mrs. Humphrey messaged me and said year 5, I was absolutely beaming because I know how hard you've worked over recent weeks to keep your classrooms tidy. So please keep that up, year 5. Okay, best attendance certificates this week. And can I just say, Cuxton, you are doing amazingly with the attendance. Really, really pleased with how many children are coming into school every single day. So keep it up, because if you're not in school, you can't learn. So we have a certificate here from roll. The best attendance in the infant school goes to, and stop, Oak Class with 99.3% attendance. A wonderful achievement, Oak Class. And then the best attendance in the junior school goes to with 100% attendance, which is amazing. 5 weeks back into the term after Easter, well, not after Easter, after the remote learning finished. So well done to keep that up. It's quite phenomenal. Drum roll. Let's drum roll. And stop. To Cherry and Maple. Wow, 100% attendance. Should be really, really pleased with yourselves. Okay, we do have some other certificates to hand out now. And I have been informed that Bethany in year 4 has achieved 100 home reads. So this morning, Miss Sawney came and saw me and said Bethany has done a wonderful job and read 100 books at home. So Bethany, your name is on a leaf and you will be going on my 100 home reads tree. So well done. We also have a bronze certificate for Freddie in year 4. Freddie, you're having a wonderful week. Well done you. Fantastic. And finally, I wanted to share with you something that's come in the post today. So I literally opened it up this morning. And back in November, some year 6s participated in the primary maths challenge, and I handed out the certificates in the assembly, and the children did incredibly well. They persevered, they showed a value of resilience and so on, because it is rather challenging. But one particular pupil did so well that she was put forward to the next round because she achieved a mark of 21 out of 25. So it shows how challenging it is. And unfortunately this year, because of COVID, that particular pupil hasn't been able to go up to London to compete in the bonus round. So what they've done instead, they've sent through a badge that I would like to give to this particular pupil to recognise her wonderful achievement and something to keep as a memory, to say how well she did. And I went to see her this morning. So well done to Laura in year 6 for working towards the bonus round. Yes, she couldn't undertake it, but if she had been able to, I'm sure she would have done amazingly. So well done, Laura. Now, as a result of that, I thought to myself, I came back to my desk and I thought, no, I've forgotten to do something. I've forgotten to write a signature on our values displays on our door to say that Laura had demonstrated excellence in her outcome of the primary maths challenge. So this morning I went up to Willow class and I wrote my signature or my initials on the display. So well done to Willow class for being the first class to have a signature on the door. But also a big well done to year 4, because as I wandered around this afternoon, Mrs. Sell caught me and said that Mrs. Martineau this morning went up and signed away and said that year 4 had met the community value across both classes because of their help in tidying up the outside area on their playground. So well done to year 4. It's lovely to see already that children and staff are engaging with our new values, and that children and staff are coming up with suggestions of who deserves to have a signature written on the display. So parents, please do have a look. I know parents, I'm recording this for you at home. Please do have a look on our Facebook page to find out a little bit more about our new values. And we are in the process at the moment of updating our website as well. So have a brilliant week, children. Keep it up. I'd love to see more signatures on doors by the end of this week of children that are meeting our new 4 values. At Cuxton, we care. So we demonstrate community value, the adventure value, resilience and excellence. Have a brilliant week, children. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.